Welcome to Unboxing in English, and today we're gonna showcase this jacket. As you can check out how it's looking, let me know in the comments below. And it just, we talk about the USD, it just cost you almost about 10 to 12 USD, and INR it just cost you 900 rupees to 1000 rupees only. For purchasing, the full video is given over there. You can find the link over there. You have to click on this video option, arrow one, and just watch the full video, and you will find the description below over there, the channel. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more unboxing videos like this. Be with us, keep learning.